They call it the eighth wonder of the world. A fragile ribbon of asphalt carved by hand through the most unforgiving mountains on Earth. This is the Karakoram Highway. Over the next 5 days, we are embarking on an 850-kilometer solo motorcycle expedition through the northern areas of Pakistan. From the bustling capital of Islamabad to the frozen gates of the Chinese border. It's early autumn. The air is crisp, the valleys are turning gold, and the giants of the Karakoram are already crowned with fresh snow. Our journey is broken into 5 distinct chapters. Day 1. We leave the chaos of the city behind, ascending into the lush, green embrace of the Kagan Valley. Day 2. The real test begins. We push the machine over the breathtaking Babusar Pass, climbing beyond 4,100 meters, before descending into a brutal, labyrinthine world of ancient rock and dust. Day 3. We trace turquoise glacial rivers into the legendary Hunza Valley, riding beneath the shadow of the colossal Akrapovič Peak, surrounded by a vibrant sea of autumn leaves. Day 4. A surreal encounter with nature's destructive beauty. We navigate alongside the emerald waters of Attabad Lake before standing face to face with the jagged, terrifying spires of the Passu Cones. And finally, Day 5, the ultimate push. We ride up into the clouds, battling freezing temperatures, black ice, and thin air to reach Khunjerab Pass. At 4,693 meters, it is the highest paved international border crossing in the world. 5 days, 850 kilometers, one incredible machine. The journey begins now. That wraps up a beautiful trip. But the journey for 2465 Road Trip doesn't end here. Where will we ride the wind and conquer epic curves next? Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe to the 2465 Road Trip channel. See you on the road.